nervous when you order food in English?
Don't worry. Today, we're going to help you sound more natural and more confident.
We'll learn easy food words, useful expressions, simple example sentences, and 2 role plays.
And we'll use everyday American English that people really say.
Let's get started. First, let's talk about common food words.
These are basic words you can use every day in the US.
Breakfast is the first meal in the morning.
Example, I eat eggs for breakfast.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day.
Example, I usually have lunch at noon.
Dinner is the evening meal.
Example, we eat dinner at 7.
Now let's look at common food items.
A burger is a sandwich with meat, cheese, or vegetables.
Example, I want a burger and fries.
Fries are a very common side dish in America.
Example, my kids love fries.
A salad usually has lettuce and vegetables.
Example, she ordered a salad for lunch.
Soup is hot liquid food.
Example, this soup is really good.
A sandwich has bread with meat, cheese, or vegetables inside.
Example, I made a sandwich at home.
A drink can be water, soda, coffee, tea, or juice.
Example, can I get a drink?
And a menu is the list of food and drinks at a restaurant.
Example, let's look at the menu. Now let's learn useful expressions for ordering food.
These are very common in everyday American English.
Number 1. Can I get
This is very natural in the US.
example? Can I get a cheeseburger?
Number 2, I'd like.
This is polite and very common.
Example, I'd like a small coffee.
Number 3. What do you recommend?
Use this when you want the server's advice.
Example, it's my first time here. What do you recommend?
Number 4, for here or to go.
You hear this all the time.
For here means you will eat at the restaurant.
To go means you will take the food with you.
Example, 2 coffees to go, please.
Number 5. Anything else?
A worker says this when they want to know if you want more food or drinks.
Example, yes. Can I also get fries?
Number 6, that's all.
This means you do not want anything more.
Example, a burger and a soda, please, that's all.
And number 7. Can I have the check, please?
In American English, people usually say check.
Example, excuse me. Can I have the check, please? Now let's talk about how to describe food.
Here are some simple adjectives.
Hot. Example, the soup is hot.
Cold. Example, my drink is cold.
Sweet means sugary. Example, this cake is very sweet.
Salty means it has a lot of salt. Example, these fries are salty.
Spicy means the food has heat. Example, I like spicy chicken.
Delicious means very good. Example, this burger is delicious.
Fresh means new and good to eat. Example, the salad is fresh.
Now let's practice some easy sentences. You can repeat after us.
I'm hungry.
Let's get something to eat.
I want a burger.
I'd like a salad.
Can I get a glass of water?
What do you recommend?
I'll have the chicken sandwich.
Can I also get fries?
This looks good.
The food smells amazing.
I'm full.
Can we get the check, please?
Alex, what do you usually order at a restaurant?
I usually order a burger or a chicken sandwich.
Nice. What do you drink?
Usually iced tea or soda. How about you?
I often order a salad, pasta, or soup.
Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much.
Same here. I like spicy food, but not too spicy.
That sounds natural. Here's another good sentence. I'm not very hungry. I just want something small.
And this one is useful too. I'm really hungry. I want a big meal.
Now let's define a few useful words.
To order means to ask for food or drinks.
Example, we're ready to order.
A server is the person who brings your food.
Example, our server is very friendly.
A refill means more of the same drink.
Example, can I get a refill on my soda?
A side is extra food with your meal, like fries or salad.
Example, I want a side of fries. Now let's do a role play at a fast food restaurant,
I'll be the worker.
and I'll be the customer.
Hi, welcome in. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger, please?
Sure, would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. And a medium soda.
Okay. For here or to go?
To go, please?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $10.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you. Now let's do one more role play. This time we're at a regular restaurant,
I'll be the server again.
and I'll be the customer.
Hi, my name is Alex, and I'll be your server today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'd like an iced tea, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Almost. What do you recommend?
The chicken pasta is really popular and
Okay, I'll have the chicken pasta.
great choice. Would you like soup or salad with that?
I'll have the salad.
Sounds good.
And can I get some water too?
Of course.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Let's review. Today we learned common food words, useful ordering expressions, and natural American phrases.
We also practiced example sentences and 2 role plays.
Try using these phrases the next time you order food.
And say the sentences out loud so you can build confidence.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want more everyday English, subscribe to the channel.
And turn on notifications so you don't miss our next lesson.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.